Now, let's talk about paying payroll tax liabilities. Today is December 15th, and we need to make our 941 federal tax deposit for the month of November. So let's come in here in an Employee Navigator, and let's come in to Pay Liabilities. Here, we want to select November 1st through November 30th. Click OK, and QuickBooks pulls up our payroll tax liabilities for that time period. We're going to leave this checked to be printed. Payment date is today. Up here, we have the two choices similar to what we had when we processed payroll checks. We recommend the second choice, review the liability check to enter expenses or penalties. Now, let's come down and let's select Federal Employment, Medicare, and Social Security. And let's click on Create. QuickBooks created the check for us to our bank, Great Statewide Bank. That's where we remit our 941 deposits. And summarize the amount, $1874.64. Now we can print this check, take it to the bank, and make our deposit. That's the correct way to pay payroll tax liabilities. We're going to show you the incorrect way because we find that many QuickBooks users make this mistake. Let's click on Save and Close. Let's go back in and look at our payroll liabilities one more time for the month of November. Down here at the bottom, we have health insurance due to Sergeant Insurance for $25. This is the incorrect way to pay that. Come into banking, write checks, and write a check to Sergeant Insurance for $25. This goes to our health insurance account. You see what's incorrect about this? This, even though it is going to update the chart of accounts and it's going to correctly pay the liability, it's not going to update our payroll records because we're not paying it from within the payroll system. So let's close this without saving it. And remember, when you pay your liabilities that have been created through payroll, you must come in here to the Pay Liabilities section. Don't simply come under here and make a common mistake of just writing checks for the liabilities. Doing that does not update the payroll system in QuickBooks.